All right, so this is a real easy mod. It is this monstrosity antenna. So I noticed there was some carbon fiber in the lights. Just a little bit of detail, just a little bit of trim detail, a little bit of carbon fiber look. So I found this antenna. It's just a little stubby and it's carbon fiber. So it kind of ties in nicely. Very easy. Done. Looks so much better. And again, it ties in a little bit with the lights, having some carbon fiber in them. And that's it. A lot of people go with the bullets, which is fine. They look good too. Just trying to tie in. I think I got it at Advance Auto, 25 bucks. Don't really notice any problems picking up stations, but who cares about that? It's all about the look, right? So yeah, just a stubby, tie in a little bit, and that's it.